Contestant number 5, Astha. Astha, contestant number 5.
We want everyone to hear. Our underlying confidence is always near. But what we need to fight is our own fear. Contest chair and all my dear Toastmasters. Toastmaster Sandesh talked about his rejections, but there were some points in his speech that I could not reject. And those points are, first, the timely pauses. It is important for a speaker to give you enough time for me to understand and take it all in. Toastmaster Sandesh very well gave me enough time between when he was talking about his 3 rejections. That made the right connect with the speech. The second commendation I want to talk about is the terrific takeaway. What you say lasts with the audience. In the same way, right now, I'm going to take something along with me because Toastmaster Sandesh talked about failure and rejections being a temporary part of life. And the third thing I want to talk about is the title. Title should be like a genie in your pocket. Whenever it is important, you could have taken it out and it shows the magic. Toastmaster Sandesh used a very simple and sober title, but it gave an impact in my mind. But there were some points that I should talk about as we're talking about rejections. He could have improved it for the right approval. The first point I want to talk about is the presentation skills. A speaker is being transformed to a performer when he has the right presentation skills. An impactful body language, that hand gestures, and that comforting smile is what connects with me. I was expecting Toastmaster Sandesh to use the hand gestures as that are welcoming to it. He could have used the stage, the first part of the stage, to talk about rejection 1, then the second part to talk about the rejection 2, and then the third part to part about the rejection 3. That is how he could have interacted with me even better. The second point I want to talk about is the storytelling ability. A speech touches the mind, but a story touches the heart. I was looking forward for Toastmaster Sandesh to tell me a story with the right words. He could have enacted the characters he used. Like, he could have asked that lady when he was asking, "Can you please pay?" He could have said, "What kind of scam is this now?" And that would have made a connect of a story in my mind. The third point I want to talk about is the monotonous tune. A speech always needs to have the right words and the right tone. There's always a flow of tone that should have gone. He could have started with a question with a high note, then he could have come a timid bit low, then when he said, "OMG," he could have gone again. That would have created a wave of connection in my mind. All in all, to summarize, Toastmaster Sandesh did very well on the 3 points, where he talked about the correct title, then he gave the right timely pauses accordingly, and lastly, he gave me a beautiful takeaway to go along. But he could have worked on few points, that is, weaving a speech into a story, then giving the right presentation skills on the stage, and lastly, giving a balance of tone. But Toastmaster Sandesh, if that is right, that rejection gives you free food, I am ready for the rejection. Contest chair.